Hey Nash, what should we make?
Christmas season is upon us, so let's make another dish people can bring to a holiday party, or any party really. I'm thinking something sweet and salty. How about Churro Party Snack Mix?
All right, let's make Churro Party Snack Mix. Welcome back to Chaos Kitchen, where we show you how to make stuff that you can bring to your holiday parties or any party. The Christmas season is upon us. New Year's is around the corner. The Super Bowl is also around the corner. So there's gonna be no shortage of parties to bring stuff to. So today we're going to make Churro Party Snack Mix. It's gonna come together pretty quick, gonna be super easy, and it will disappear fast no matter where you serve it. So without further ado, let's go. So this one's gonna come together pretty quick. It's gonna be easy. It sounds delicious. I'm looking forward to tasting it. But we wanna start by preheating your oven to 350. Then take out a large pot on medium heat. Wanna throw in 2 cups of butter. Apparently trust the process. And 2 cups of packed brown sugar. Probably should have waited to add the brown sugar, but whatever. Just keep it moving around a little bit, just so the sugar doesn't burn before the butter melts. The weather outside is frightful, but the snow is so delightful. Nash tried to eat a crow. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. What song's stuck in your head today? Once you get everything incorporated, just keep stirring so your sugar doesn't burn. And once we bring that up to a boil, then we can kill the heat, add in 2 teaspoons of vanilla, or Nilla.
And some Nilla.
Thanks, Dylan. And 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. Get that all stirred in. Then we add 1 and 2 bags of oyster crackers. There was 2 different kinds at the store. They're a little bit different sizes. So I got 1 of each, because, you know, variety is the spice of life, or something rather. I don't know. Then we just get that all stirred in, get everyone coated, get everyone nice and bathed, whatever. Everyone takes a bath. Get in there. Then we take out a foil-lined baking sheet, so it makes cleanup easier. And we pour our cracker mixture into our pan. And we spread this out, even it out, whatever. Just, you know, do the thing with the stuff in the place. You know what I mean. You know what I mean. All right, once we got that all spreaded out, then we put this into our 350 oven for 15 minutes. Then while that's cooking, get out a container of some sort. We're gonna make our topping, I guess you'd call it. And this is when you realize that you ran out of white sugar. So a cup of white sugar if you have it, or if you don't, do half brown and half white like I did. Then 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, but you know what, whatever. Measure with feeling, measure with your heart. And a couple teaspoons of salt. Get that all combined. Try to break up your brown sugar clumps. And that's what we call good enough, so we set that aside. And there we have our little guys. Turn that off. Then we want to let this cool for a few minutes just so it's not super liquidy when we pour it into the serving tray. Then we want to transfer everything to a tray. Whoops. Well, okay. Making a mess as per usual. Come on. You can do it. Get out of there. Come with me if you want to live. Now let's collect our stragglers. Okay, that pan is very hot. And then we just sprinkle this on and then get it all stirred in. This is obviously gonna add extra flavor. It's also gonna kind of keep them from, well, it's gonna minimize them clumping together. Although who's really gonna complain about a clump of these delicious cinnamon sugar cracker thingies? And if that had made more white sugar, these probably would separate better, but again, who's gonna complain, really? Now we're just gonna let this cool. And there we have our Churro Party Snack Mix. And it's time for a bite. Cheers. Well, dang. That sweet sugar, cinnamon, slightly salty, crunchy, it's kind of amazing. It's like a mix made in churro-ish heaven. I don't know why everything that's sugar and cinnamon has to be churro, but I guess it works. But anyways, this is freaking easy to make. It's delicious. It will definitely disappear wherever you serve it, whenever you serve it. It doesn't have to be a holiday thing. But in this case, it is, because I'm wearing a stupid hat. So, Merry Christmas. It's a good thing stuff doesn't have calories during the holidays, because this is dangerous. In fact, I may have one more bite, then I'm gonna have to give the rest of this away as soon as possible, so it's not here anymore. Out of 10. That's what I think, but hey, let's see what Nash thinks. Hey bud, how you doing?
I'm good, man. Just been wrapping Christmas presents. Not having thumbs makes it that much more difficult.
Well, check it out. We made this Churro Party Snack Mix you wanted. And of course we made a dog-friendly version just for you. Well, here you go. What do you think?
Oh, that cinnamon sweet and salty crunch works really well together. You could even throw some Chex, pretzels, peanuts, and whatever in there with the crackers.
Anything you want to say to your fans?
It's only after you've stepped outside your comfort zone that you begin to change, grow, and transform.
Nash approves, I approve. Another great dish to bring to a party, super easy to make, and I promise you it'll be a huge hit. Thank you so much for watching. Really appreciate you all. Love you all. If you wouldn't mind taking a second, go like, share, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, hype, all that good stuff. If there's anything you want me to make, you want me and Nash to taste, go ahead and drop that down in the comments. And if you like this video, go check out some other holiday or party videos somewhere over here. Merry Christmas to you and yours. Enjoy the season. And just remember, cook more, eat better, embrace the chaos. That's it for now, folks. Until next time, be good and peace.